G'day everyone, Not Sealed here. Today we're going to be doing a quick service on this Dyson V7 hand stick vacuum cleaner. Now the original battery is a 1900 milliamp hour battery, and we're going to be replacing it with this 4600 milliamp battery. So we should get about 2 times the runtime out of it. There are 3 screws to be removed, 2 on the bottom and 1 on the side of the vacuum cleaner. These 3 Phillips head screws will enable the battery to come out. To get easy access to the bottom screws, open the V7 vacuum cleaner dump chute. Make sure it's empty, a little bit of dust in there. My favourite tools for working on appliances is this 60-piece screwdriver set. I'll put a link in the description of all the parts and tools you need for this service. Dyson vacuum cleaners sometimes have a mixture of Allen screw heads and Torx screw heads, so it's good to have a variety on hand. So a fun fact is that this Dyson V7 vacuum cleaner came out in 2017, so the battery is over 5 years old now, so it's good to be replaced. The lithium-ion battery technology has come a long way. That's why we're able to get more capacity out of these batteries now. More capacity means a longer runtime, depending on your conditions like carpet, floorboards or tiles, and if your filters are blocked as well, that will cause extra load on the vacuum cleaner. There are some fake batteries as well on places like eBay, so make sure you buy from a reputable store. Lithium-ion batteries last for about 500 charges until they start to degrade. So if you use your vacuum cleaner every single day, that's 365 times it will be run down and put on charge. So after about 2 years, you may start to see some lower performance on your battery. Once you've replaced the battery on the Dyson V7, you can now go ahead and replace the vacuum cleaner pre-filter and also the HEPA post-filter. These filters are compatible on the Dyson V7 and the V8. They're interchangeable, and I like to change them out every year. If you've ever wondered what's inside the Dyson V7 battery pack, which is the SV11, it's these lithium-ion 18650 batteries. So if your Dyson V7 vacuum cleaner has a flashing red light of 32 times, or it has a short runtime, or it is not charging, then just replace the battery and all your problems will be solved.